Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A3 gear knob. First, let's prepare by gathering our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, a plastic trim removal tool, and potentially crimping pliers. Make sure you have your new gear knob ready, and if your model uses a single-use clip, have a new one on hand. Always ensure your vehicle is parked securely with the parking brake engaged before starting any work. Now, let's remove the old gear knob. Begin by carefully prying up the trim around the gear shift boot using your plastic tool. Once the trim is loose, slide the entire boot upwards to reveal the base of the knob. Depending on your Audi A3 model, you will either pry open a metal retaining clip with your screwdriver or twist a locking ring counterclockwise. With the retainer released, pull the knob straight upwards with a firm, steady force to remove it. With the old knob removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully slide the new gear knob onto the shifter shaft, making sure it aligns correctly and the gear pattern faces forward. If your model uses a retaining clip, crimp a new one securely into place. For models with a locking ring, twist it clockwise until it clicks and locks. If you're installing an aftermarket knob, use the provided Allen key to tighten any set screws until the knob is completely secure. Almost done. Now, carefully push the gear shift boot trim back down into its housing. Apply gentle pressure around the edges until you hear it click securely into place, ensuring all sides are flush. Once everything is reassembled, start your Audi A3 and thoroughly test all gear selections. Shift through every gear, including reverse, to confirm that the new knob feels solid, engages properly, and operates smoothly without any issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.